Is this real? This is not fake. He's going to come to your house. The reason is that they're trying to make it sound less scary, but you will be dead by the morning. If you are lucky, you might survive. What the heck? I thought it was fake, but then I slipped. I heard a weird noise and saw a black figure and then disappeared. Everyone in the house survived. Yo, what the? Oh no, I saw Cartoon Cat and he almost killed me. It's a real story. Please uninstall it if you got attacked by Cartoon Cat. He actually came to my house. I heard the music, but then he left. Scary. Scary, do not play. This is fun. Nobody wondering if I... Scary. Please don't download it. He will be there if you lucky survive. Oh my god, don't call her or Cartoon Cat will come. I was hiding then when they... But then when it's night, Cartoon Cat comes. At least I survived. My mom is dead. Don't download it or die. Let me check the one star. Yo. Says that. But it says fake call Cartoon Cat. Bro, isn't Cartoon Cat fake? He's totally fake. Because I just searched up Felix the Cat. And then boom, a lot of random stuff came up. And I'm like, yo, what the heck is this? I was like waiting for a Felix game before I can make a video about it, but then that weird thing comes up. I don't want to try it because I'm trying to be safe here. We are facing quarantine right now, guys. Do you know that? We're facing quarantine. Guys, one like in this video, and when somebody calls me, I will answer. Alright, don't call this number because I don't know that number, so please don't call it, please. I have answered a call, but they just said like, and this and that and that, and I'm like, goodbye. Imagine if I make a video about this, and then somebody says, I'm watching you. I'll be like, what the heck, man? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? That's how I would be. Cause yo, I'm like scared. I don't want nothing to happen. Well, yeah, if like the best idea to kill somebody is to wait until it's nighttime, then go to the house and then and Cartoon Cat is like smart. So yeah, do not try that app. If you're really gonna take a risk, do it, man. Do it. If you say, oh, bro, not my fault. I'm telling you to not do it. You're the one who's doing it. Oh, just guys, no. I don't think I should not I just totally should not try it. By the way, we're gonna play some random games. was playing for a little bit, but then I got bored and it got interested. And then I saw comments, more comments, and then like I saw it, and it said my mom's dead. I'm literally scared, like scared. 'Cause I don't want nothing to happen to my family. Would you like do that? I wouldn't, like, actually. Now let's try this. Cheese. Oh. Oh, I love the art. Oh. It's tripping. Oh, it's flying. Why is it flying? Flying, I mean. Hello? Oh. Chiz. Oh, it's supposed to be chest. Oh. I thought it was cheese. It's supposed to be named Ches. This actually takes... Guys. I bet you could hear this, but I'm tapping the exit. I can't... Bro. What it... Did I caught that on camera? Boy. Like, boy. Boy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep today. Because I feel like something's gonna come for me. And I feel like somebody's watching right now, bro. Actually, I feel like somebody's watching me. A matter of fact, like every single day, I have a feeling that somebody's watching me. Like every single day. Alright, we're just gonna play it normal, like if nothing happened. Yes. Guys, comment down below what's your map to play. I'm just gonna search up. Hopefully nothing happens. Oh, just one. Oh. Oh, made it! You can't trick me, boy. It's not impossible. Tunes breaker. How about if I put Damn sonar? Oh. This one, I hate this! Magic. Namis? What is Namis? Oh yeah, that's totally magic. Alright, there you go. Yeah, that's just totally magic. Like, just totally magic. Oh! Oh, jeez! What? Oh, I didn't see that. Because I'm not that of a pro gamer at this. I, like, started a few days ago. It's just so awesome. So, yeah. Electric Knight. Alright. Wait, I think I could not. Still thousands of people. No. know what, guys? Today we playing GW Live. Guys, I actually feel like something watching me. Oh, that dinosaur is looking at me. It's looking at you too. Alright, guys. Do not move a muscle. It will bite if you move a muscle. Do not move a single muscle. If you want this dinosaur to go, try out thinking, how is it gonna go away? Alright, I think I know how to make it go away. If you like and sub, it will go away. In 1, 2. Oh my god, I don't hate it how it's looking at me. Alright. Oh my god. Just take a breath, breath. 1, 2, and 3. I think something's happening. It's not moving. You guys did it for liking and subscribing. Alright, guys, you cool. Connect to chat. Why do I need a chat server? Me no need chat server. Yes, cause me buff. Me super tough. Me buff. Oh yeah. Buffy, buff, and buffies. Buffy, buffies. Buffies. I'm a Buffy. Hurry up, please. Get it. Alright, let's get it. Ding 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 ding. Alright. I can't. Alright. Cash 20. What? Iteration. Alright. Oh. Giant gigant. Whatever it's called. Alright, guys. Last time I bought a credit card with not a real credit card, Play Store credit card. And I put it in Roblox. And I got like 3. I didn't want to waste that much because I tried to turn myself into Cartoon Cat. That was like a long time ago. Well, not that long. It's like 2 days ago. Alright, you know what? I'm getting bored, guys. I'm not sure if I should keep doing this video. Because I mean, like, what the heck was in the beginning of the video? I mean, like, Felix the cat was supposed to be Cartoon Cat, but somebody made Felix somebody who's very, 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 very scary. And so yeah, I'm like, bruh. Like, why would this person create Cartoon Cat? Requested the game is full, joining server. Look at that, boy. Huh, one question. Why wouldn't it be server? And all that stuff. Alright, today we're gonna be playing with a cousin. Yes. Alright. Making. Oh! Oh, hi! You will die. Nah, get out of here. Yeah, actually do what creepy Zizzy did. Oh, said I meant. Oh no! Oh god, that was frozen! Get out 22, 22, up. Why is he everything is frozen in time! And I can't go through door. Good turn it on. You're frozen! We all just have one arm. Well, this doesn't seem as that bad. Hi, welcome to Chili's. I froze in time. Yes, I get to do all. No, they don't have. Okay, hola, tengo Robux. Alright, you have Robux? I don't care. Where is my message? I don't care. Where is Cartoon Cat hacking me? Guys, I'm done with this. I can't do it. Cause this and that. You know what? Oh, by the way, guys, hold up. Follow my TikTok account. I am working on a lot. Well, not working. Well, doing a lot of stuff in my TikTok. I use it more than YouTube, and so check it out. Yeah, I'm literally staring at a hand. More like a. Oh no. Oh no.